پولینڈ سے تعلق رکھنے والی مس ورلڈ کیرولینا ویلوسکا وادی کشمیر میں خوبصورت نظاروں سے لطف اندوز ہو رہی ہیں. انہوں نے شکارا کے ذریعے ڈل جھیل کی سیر کی اور لنچ کیا. مس ورلڈ کشمیر کی خوبصورتی اور تہذیب سے کافی متاثر ہوئیں. اس موقع پر مس ورلڈ انڈیا اور دیگر بھی موجود تھیں.
I have with me Miss World right here. You can see her taking Shikara ride around Dal Lake. This is a very famous location called Dal Lake where we have seen several films being shot in previously also and has been a star attraction. Ma'am, how do you like the beauty? How beautiful do you think this lake is?
I think it's absolutely beautiful and I would love the whole world to see it. I cannot wait for all the contestants from 140 countries to come here to India and see this beautiful place. Absolutely, I would truly recommend it to see to everyone. And I will tell my friends and my family, they are all coming over to India to see me during the final. So I hope we will be able to take a tour and I will take them to the Kashmir. And we also took plenty of photos and videos together that will go all around the world. So I cannot wait for everyone to see it.
I think I'm more than excited that 140 countries are coming to India and I get to be the host delegate. And to show the beauty of not only Dal Lake but the entire Kashmir is something that I'm really waiting for. So, yeah, I'm really excited for it.
I have with me Miss World America right now taking Shikara ride in Dal Lake, where you must have seen this place in pictures or somewhere. This is famous around the world. How do you see when you're here today in Dal Lake?
Oh, I'm loving it. I'm here with Miss England. I'm here with Miss Dominican Republic, Emmy, and Jessica, and I'm so happy to be here with the Miss World organization. India is really blessed that Miss World is being hosted this year, so this is a very beautiful ride. If you're ever in Kashmir, you guys have to come here. It's so peaceful. I love the embroidery here. I love the beautiful pieces. So it's a must stop.
Oh, definitely to visit as well because there's so much colour in this area. And aside from that, the whole of India is so welcoming. You really do have the most hospitable people. So, yeah, definitely telling people to come here and visit. It's amazing. It is absolutely stunning. We've been to the gardens as well today, which were absolutely fantastic. And then aside from that, I've also been told that there's quite a lot of wildlife in the area. So I've been told about snow leopards, which is amazing. You wouldn't believe that they lived here, but yes, it's absolutely fantastic, and I'm loving it.
So what would be your advice to the people who are hesitant in coming to Kashmir or somehow don't want to come here?
There should be zero thoughts of hesitation. This is a must stop. If you're ever in India, you have to come to Kashmir. All of us came on a charter plane from Delhi to Kashmir. Kashmir was our first stop. So that goes to show you that if Miss World can bring Miss World to Kashmir, there is something special about the beauty of Kashmir. So you have to come and experience it yourself.